so as you guys can see from the title below, this is going to be my video showing you guys some helpful tips that I use almost every day, anytime I get a new iPhone or if I reset my phone and things like that. I am filming in my bedroom because my kids have friends over and they're in the living room, the den, and my filming room is on that end of the house, so I'm in the bedroom today. So I have this set up like this because the ring light is over there, so I'm holding the phone like this so it won't get the glare for you guys. And I also have the light on my camera, so that's what that little dot is for. I can't get rid of that, so I'm sorry, you guys. But I just reset my phone, so I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and just set up my phone as I would do. But in the process, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some of my little tips and tricks and little features that I use on my phone for everyday use. And these are really helpful. So like I said, I just reset my phone and I have to move multiple apps. So I just downloaded my phone. My phone? I just downloaded some apps, okay? And they're all back here as you guys can see. But I have to set my phone up. So if you want to move multiple apps at one time, all you have to do is like hold down on, well, not like that, not that hard. You just want to hold it down where you can see the icons pop up like so. And you can literally just tap on each one like that, as you guys can see. And you can literally take this whole page if you want it, and you can slide it over to the next page like this, and it'll move all the apps, as you guys can see. So you can just move all your apps just like that. I hope you guys saw that. So now all the apps that you wanted to use is now wherever you wanted them to be. So that is a really cool feature if you want to move your icons and stuff like that without having to move each icon one by one. This is a very, very useful feature that I use all the time. So number two, I use my calculator a lot, you guys. So I'm just going to go into my calculator. I'm just going to type in like some numbers. Okay, just type in some numbers. And I'll hold it down like this so you won't see the glare. You guys can still see that. So basically, instead of just going back, clearing everything out, all you have to do is just swipe over like this. Just swipe just like that. And that's pretty much it. Okay. You guys know on my Snapchat, I freaking love music, okay? So we're just going to go into the music app, and I'm just going to type in songs to a lyric. So like, say for instance, I wanted to know the lyrics to a song, and I didn't have the music around me to like Shazam it or ask Siri. You can just go up here, and you can type in any of, like, say for instance, if you just know like the chorus part of the song or anything. So you guys know I love Tupac, so I'm just gonna say, no, you know what? Let me try Lil Baby song. So I know some of the lyrics. Some of the lyrics in the song is "They Supposed to Hate." So okay, so as you guys can see right here, it already popped up in the song. It says, when you're living like this, they're supposed to hate. All you have to do is type in some of the song, and if you click it right here, the whole song will pop up, and that's how you know that that's the song. So that's the song right there. So now you have the song. I'll do it again. So let me see. I'll try Tupac's song. Revenge is like the sweetest joy next to getting. Okay, so I'm going to type in, I don't even know how to spell it. Revenge. And the name of the song is Hail Mary, Revenge. Okay, so as you guys can see right here, it's Revenge is like the sweetest joy next to getting, and then y'all know the other lyrics. So once you click it in, there's a song right there. So that's the song. So this is just a really cool way if you don't know the verses and you know most of the chorus of the song. This is a really cool way for you guys to basically get the songs that you want. You just type in a few words that you know of the song and it will pop up. Okay, so that's really, really cool. You know, it's a really cool feature. So I'm going to go into my messages. Let me slide over here. So as you guys can see in the message app, I was texting my daughter. And I'm not sure if a lot of you guys know about this, but I use this all the time. I think it's a really, really cool way to text on your iPhone. So this is just a message I was texting to my daughter this morning when she left for school. And I just told her to have a great day or whatever. And I put like a cheesy face. And I put the cheesy face on my message after she said, "Thanks, mommy." And then you can also put the Anna emoji. So you can use your me emoji and the Anna emoji in a text message, like a what do they call it? Like a reaction to a text message, if that makes sense. And you can also double it up. So like you welcome baby. If she wanted to thumbs this up, even though the Anna emoji is there, all I have to do is like click on the message, me or her, and you can put like a heart and thumbs it up. You can double it up so it'll look just like that, if you guys can see, just like so. So I thought it was really, really cool. And then you guys know there's so many features on the message app that I really, really love. So like, I really don't want to text her, because if I text her, she's going to probably text me back. So, you can go in here and you can hold it down and you can get all these little features. You can click the heart up, the heart down, the laughing emoji, the exclamation point, all that good jazz. Or you can go in here and like, say for instance, if you wanted to text, this is how you would do it. You would just send a text. I'll just say testing text or something to her. And I'm just going to send it. Hopefully she doesn't text back. And then like, this is the text I sent to her. So if I wanted to put a memoji on here, I would just go to my memoji. Hi. And then let's say I wanted to do the, I don't know, the unicorn. And I wanted to do like, hi. And I wanted to do this, just like a cheesy face or something. Or let's see. And that's exactly how you do it, just like that. Simple, it's easy. It just makes texting more fun. That's why I really do love the iPhones. And then also you can, I don't know, I'll just go ahead and show you guys this. My friends the other day was looking at my phone and they saw some stuff that people were sending me and they didn't even know this feature even exists. But this is not even new. This is super, super old. You can hold down the message to the side and you can send it like gentle or invisible, where when you get the message, like if I send this to her and you literally have to swipe through it to see the message. Okay, so I'm just going to do like another one. If you hold it down, you can do gentle where it comes up slow, like so. You can do loud where it pops up like that. You can slam it to the side where it's like that. You can do the screen where it's like multiple. You can slide like so, and it'll just put the spotlight on the app. You can put it like this, like someone's birthday, happy birthday. You can do the confetti, like congratulations or so. You can send someone that say I love you with the heart emoji and it vibrates. Like this will vibrate on their end. This is one of the features I really, really love about iPhones. You guys, really, really cool. This is the laser. If you want. I thought everybody knew about that, but there's some people that watch me that just got an iPhone. So if you wanted to make your text messaging, a little more fun, iPhone do give you that option. So let's just say it's dark at night and you don't have your phone is on vibrate or it's on silent and you just cannot find it. You can ask Siri to turn on the flashlight, and that way you can see where your phone is at, because it's going to be a big ass flashlight. So, hey Siri, turn on flashlight.
It's on.
So that's really cool. And then, hey Siri, turn off flashlight.
It's off.
Just like that. So I thought that was a really, really cool feature. So sometimes at nighttime when it's dark in my room and it doesn't recognize me at all, I go turn on my Face ID, and this is just a temporary code for the video. I go down to require attention for Face ID. Now this say True Depth camera will provide an additional level of security by verifying that you are looking at iPhone before unlocking. Some sunglasses may block attention detection. I have noticed, you guys, when I turn off require attention to Face ID and I turn off attention aware features. So I'll click that off, and it'll say, you know, if you turn this off, your Face ID will unlock your iPhone even if your eyes are not clearly open and looking at the screen. So this is a feature that I always use at nighttime because I get emails all the time from companies and I have to really go through my phone at nighttime. So this is a really, really cool feature, you guys. Now, I don't recommend you do it all throughout the day because let's say, for instance, if you're asleep, someone can literally just get your phone and turn it and unlock your phone. But if you click that, it's going to make the Face ID work really, really quickly. So I'm not even going to be looking at the phone and the phone unlocked. So there is another feature that I wanted to show you guys that I use all the time. I created a note just for the sake of this video. So you can go in here and you can lock personal notes in your notes folder. So I created a notes folder just for the sake of this video. So let's just say this was a personal business folder with like people's information and stuff like that. Or just let's just say this was a folder with your kids' social security numbers and personal information like that. And you didn't want anyone to just be going through your phone, looking through your notes and stuff like that. You can actually click lock. You can click right here at the top and it'll pop up this little folder right here and you can just click lock notes. Or if you don't want to go through all of that, you can literally just pull down and pull it up like so, and you can pin the note, lock the note, share, move, or delete. And when you click lock the note, this is what will pop up. Set your password. You can put the password in, you can put verifying, and then you can also put a hint. So like, let's say this was my daughter's social security number and information. I would just put daughter or whatever, just a way for me to remember. Or you can click Face ID on or Face ID off. If you forget this password, you won't be able to view your locked note. So just remember when you put this in here that you're going to have to remember, okay? So that is a really cool feature that I really, really love about my phone. So really, really cool. So next, you guys, I'm going to go into settings. So let's just say you're somewhere and you're trying to get on Wi-Fi. So I'm just going to go to my Wi-Fi right here. Now, this is just a really, really cool feature. If you're someone pressed for time and, you know, you have stuff to do like a report or somewhere and you're trying to get Wi-Fi. So as you guys can see, this is what pull-ups right now. Now, this will refresh every time you go out and you go back in, okay? It literally has to refresh and find other Wi-Fi networks. If you literally just slide over just a little bit, you see it's refreshing and it will find more. Okay, every time you do that, instead of going all the way out, all you have to do is go out and it literally refreshes it every time. So if you're someone in a rush and you're looking for some Wi-Fi every time, because look, every time you go out and you go in, it literally has to search for everyone again. When you can just literally just slide over and it refreshes just. So I'm going to show you guys how I screenshot on my phone. I do not like the fact that you have to use both hands to screenshot. This is just a feature that I use on my phone. And this is a feature that I used when I had my iPhone 7, my 6, my 8. When I didn't want to use my home button a lot, I would use my assistive touch. I have been using this for years, you guys. But I use this to screenshot and that's it. So you want to go into settings. Go down to general and then you go to accessibility and then you want to scroll down until you see assistive touch. You just want to click this on right here, okay? And then once you click it on, you're going to see this little dot right here at the bottom. You can make it brighter. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to turn it all the way up so you guys can see it right there. And then you go in here and you customize it right here. So it's going to customize. I go in here and I change all of this, but for the sake of the video, I'm just going to go to device and it pops up all these features over here on the side. And I'm going to go down to I see screenshot. I'm going to click done. And then I'm just going to go back out of here like so. So I'm just going to pull it up to the side right here and then, oops, sorry. It's so hard for me to film behind the camera. So if any of this video, the phone was out of focus or out of the screen, it's very, very hard for me to see behind the camera. So all you have to do is go in here. If you wanted to screenshot anything, all you have to do, and that's pretty much it. That's how I use my assistive touch to screenshot. Last but not least, you guys, I'm going to go to my settings again. And you guys, I will tell you guys, if I say you guys one more time, you guys know, I just said it again, that the camera on the X Max, the back camera is really, really gorgeous, okay? The front camera, the front camera, it kind of looks photoshopped. I'm not gonna lie. It definitely looks photoshopped. If you want to take that feature off where your phone does not look like your pictures are photoshopped, all you have to do is go to camera and turn off Smart HD. Okay? So you just click it off and that's pretty much it. So these are just my little useful iPhone tips of 2019. Like I said, I'm about to set my phone up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you guys have any tips, tricks, any iPhone hacks, any hidden features or anything like that, drop them down in the comments down below. This was my little, just what I use. And like I said, I wanted to share this with you guys. I'm sure you guys have heard of some of them before. If you didn't, let me know which ones you hadn't heard of before. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to share this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. Snapchat get for this on everything. I love you guys so much. And until next time, you guys, bye.
Baby, your picture perfect. Your smile, God made it perfect. Don't let nobody tell you different. Baby, you're so worth it. You was beautiful in every way. When I'm describing it, it's all I